Hi guys, Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today is day 7 of the affiliate marketing challenge, the 90 days from 0 to 1k per day in the next 90 days. And day 7, what we did actually on day 6, just as a recap for you, I wrote an article, did one video of 3 minutes, took me 2.25 hours, researched a lot about how to choose profitable products. I didn't time that because I was doing research, but I think I should have timed this because that's I was putting in this venture. And also how to be sure that your offer is profitable, and this will be in the free course I'm already talking about a lot in this challenge. I also tested other ways to make money online, the free method, no builder all, not anything. So if you are a builder all user or you don't want to use builder all, you can follow this challenge, and this will help you a lot with your affiliate marketing journey, because this is the best way you can start anything for free or for just $50 per month. And what I did today is I actually made a mistake while building my website. There was a glitch, and this like really bugged me, and I was really disappointed with that. But I knew now what I did wrong, and I just have to build another website, and now the right way. Okay, I'm not that acquainted with Builderall, but this is a very nice software. You just need to follow the built-in courses so you can build your funnels or your website on this, and they like host everything for you. That's really nice. But I made a mistake and I have to do my website, and I will do it during the weekend. So no time to waste. I tried some funnel cloning and a website builder, and got a job on Fiverr.com where you can use Builderall to like help others. You just have to transfer them the website or funnel, which is awesome. You don't have to deal with hosting, you don't have to deal with anything. You just have to create a website inside your Builderall, then transfer it to any clients you have, which is really easy. You just have to find clients, build your Builderall website, then send them. I will come across this another time. And in terms of email marketing, I'm having some problem like connecting my domain to MailingBus. I'm not acquainted to that email marketing platform, but I will do that soon. And I know it's late, 7 days already. I haven't promoted like anything, and I'm just going with what you can do during those 90 days. So I made like 3 articles today on fitness and heavy eating, and took me like forever to write those, like 5.8 hours. And I did not time it because I was having problems with my internet connection. And so in total I have 5 videos and like 5 articles, but I'm promoting those videos massively, and I'm including those articles I wrote inside my YouTube channel, so as to boost some of the video rankings. And those videos are not like focused on Clickbank and all that. They are just random videos to just pick up everyone from some of those places, and just to create some momentum for me there. I'm trying to hit like 10 videos, then start to promote, because you cannot just like go and promote. You just have to give some value first. Like Gary Vaynerchuk said, is jab, hook. And yeah, how to promote. How am I doing the promotion? I'm actually not doing anything like that. I'm just checking what YouTube is offering me, and I'm getting like only 10 to 20 views. Like those videos I do not promote them like a lot. What I'm doing is I'm targeting Facebook groups, and I will implement a Facebook pixel, And what I will do is, what I'm doing actually is I have an Instagram account where I'm posting every day. I'm growing this account, same as Horse Lincoln, and I'm also showing a lot of things on Instagram stories. And I'm using Pixabay as free things for you. I just like today I checked healthy eating, healthy food. Click search, then you have a ton of downloadable items, and it's free for you to use anything in this. And yeah, today is the 21st February of 2019, just as proof. And yes, my course, I really feel I need to show you how to do exactly other things, because this is documentation and I will talk like this. I know sometimes it might feel boring, but I'm documenting everything I'm doing in this journey. And look at it like a black box where you can come and see what I do and what I did wrong or what I did right to have something. And I feel I need to do this course, and I'm trying to implement this too, and taking a lot of my time on this. So the tip of the day is to actually define your audience first, and I will pinpoint you on that. You have to know who is your audience, so as you know where to promote, which groups to target, what Instagram tag to use, and all those things. And on that note, I will finish that video. Thanks for watching, but please be sure that I will give a lot of value within those 90 days. It's only day 7 and I will start massive promotion on day 10, I think. I hope so, because it's a lot of hard work and you just have to push it further. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification, because I'm uploading every single day, as you know it. And today we just released the book review, the first book review of this channel, which is A Curious Mind. The link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.